What's in the box? What's in the box? Got another box. You know what that means. Let's crack it open. All right, roll with me. All right, back in. So, time to crack open this box and see what it is. So, jumping right in. Not a big box, pretty small. So, and let's see what we got here. Put that down for a second. What's in the box? What's in the box? A bunch of paper. Okay, and ooh, this is heavy, whatever that is. Oh, okay, this is Jacquard Lorraine, and I got this. I have never smelled this before, but I heard that it was being discontinued. This one and a few other ones are being discontinued. So I just figured I'd go ahead and pick it up and see if I like it. If I like it, fine. If I don't, then I'll just maybe give it away, because from what I could tell from the, if I remember correctly, from the notes, it was leaning a little bit to the feminine side. And got an extra mirror. I think I have probably about a half a dozen of those now. And here's a sample of, I think that's exceptional for women. Is that gonna come in? There we go, exceptional for women. I've smelled that before. I kind of like it, but then a bunch of papers. I kind of like it, but it's nothing crazy. And then there's another bottle here that has, that's wrapped into plastic. Let's see. Can't remember what I got. I know it was a sample of something. Oh, this was that Fly High kind of fragrance, name fragrance. I'm not sure what this fragrance is supposed to smell like or anything, but I did hear a buzz about it. I don't know if it was on TikTok or somewhere, but some people were saying that it was good. So I checked it out. But let's jump into this one first, because I want to see what it smells like. So just taking a look around the box, it has a little sticker here. I hope that doesn't mean that this box was open and they sealed it back up. Hopefully not, but let's see. Let's just go ahead and chop into it. And all right, and here's the front of the box. The name gonna come in. There we go, Lorraine Dubois and Jacquard. Nothing on the side. Look like it's taped to hold in place. Okay, that's nice. And then on the back, a little bit right in there, and then on the side, another tape here. On the top, it just has. Let's see, is that gonna come in? It's not coming in, but there's a little symbol there. And then on the bottom is all the extra pertinent information. So it looks like, oh, I didn't have to, I thought I may have had to cut that, but I didn't. Let's see, okay, it sits in there pretty nicely. Okay, and look around the bottle. This is nice. This is a nice looking bottle. I like the color of the juice. It looks kind of ambery. So it may, I can't remember what the notes was for this, but I did feel like it. I did feel interested in it. So figured, why not? Pull the trigger. Go ahead and check it out. Let's see. Oh, nice sprayer too. Nice sprayer. Ooh, Okay, this is nice. It leans a little bit feminine. Um, Not something that I couldn't wear, but it's something that if I do keep it, is it would be something that I will wear very, very rarely. At least on the paper. Let's just go ahead and go on the skin because we know how that paper be acting sometimes. So, oh yeah, that's a nice sprayer. Putting a lot of juice. See how wet my hand is. Okay, little alcohol blast in the front, on the top. Oh, actually, it's better on my skin. It's still unisex, but it's close to the skin, and it's unisex, but it's kind of has a kind of like a creamy vibe to it, and some florals, but the florals are like under the creaminess, if that makes any sense. And it's fresh. Oh, wait a minute, the florals are coming up a little bit stronger now. Oh, this is nice. I think I'm liking this, the transition of this. Okay. Oh, I didn't realize that it is a magnetic top. That is nice. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I kind of like this. Smells. It reminds me of something that I actually have in my collection, but I can't put my finger on it right now. But yeah, pretty nice. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I was wondering if I want to pick up any of the other ones. Now the for right now, because only place I've seen them are at the Jacfar website. I think they have a couple, but they're limited. And then I've seen these at Fragrance Net. They have them there, and they have the full 100 milliliter bottles for maybe between $20 and $25, and then the 50 milliliter bottles are running between $15 and $17. So it's not like you're gonna, it's not gonna break the bank. So I figured I pick it up. But the way this is structured, the way it's built, the glass is nice and solid, and this magnetic top is really substantial. It's really hard to pull off. It's not coming off easily. So yeah, this is nice. I may have to look into picking up some of the other ones. So let's go into what I do with that other fragrance. What I do with the other fragrance? Hold on a second. So I'm back in. I found it. Here it is. And it's wrapped in plastic. So let's go ahead and chop into it and see what it smells like. I don't know how I misplaced it that quick, but this plastic is on there pretty tight. Okay. I think I got it open. Got it started anyway. Let's see. Oh, this is hard plastic. This is not the regular plastic that you normally would have on a fragrance. So, okay, so let's see what this is. Oh, before we do that, we can look around the bottle. It is Al Fursan by Le Falcon, and see the back of the bottle has a bunch of information. On the side just has that. Other side is clear. Let's see if I can get into this. Okay, but this feels heavy. I think it's only supposed to be a 5 milliliter, but oh no, this is bigger than a 5 milliliter. This looks like maybe a 10 milliliter. So that's pretty nice. And that's how the regular 100 milliliter bottle looks. Okay, let's go ahead and did I spray this? No. I'm smelling my hand. Yeah, I'm smelling my hand. Okay. Let's see what this one is like. Okay. Pretty nice spray too. Ooh. Smell like fruit and vegetables and like basil. Oh wow, it smells very herbal and earthy. Smells like it like it has a note of maybe dirt or something. But it smells like it's a little bit oud coming out too. Let me put this on my hand before I start sniffing and thinking it's one thing and it's something else. So nothing on my hand. That's a nice spray though. Pretty nice. Good quality because there's no alcohol when I went right in to smell it. Okay, this is nice. I'm digging this. It's a little oudy. This is definitely something that's going to be for the fall or the winter time. And then with the seasons changing, maybe it's coming in right on time. But this is kind of nice. It's different, I should say. I won't say it's nice. It's different. It's not the average scent. It's like I said, it's oudy. You know what? Let me get the notes. I'll get the notes for both of them. Hold on a second. It's been a little bit of time. The notes for the Al Fursan, the Le Flocon, or whatever it's called, it was hard to find those notes. So I found the notes, but it's changed a little bit. It kind of has a powdery vibe to it. Kind of like a powdery vibe. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Shergi by who's Shergi by? I'll put it up there. But yeah, it's smelling a lot better now. This one it was smelling kind of oudy in the beginning, but that's pretty much gone. It was like a dirt kind of like an earthy kind of smell to it in the beginning. That's gone too. And now it just has this real nice, it smells like a soft tobacco, like not a pipe tobacco, not like a sweet tobacco, but a dry, soft tobacco, not anything deep or anything. But let's go check out the notes. The notes for this one, the Al Fursan, is that gonna come in? Taking a little bit of time. All right, so the notes for it, the top notes are raspberry, sea notes, sea salt, and grapefruit. Then in the heart, the middle notes, we have bay leaf, geranium, spices, and patchouli. And then in the base notes, we have vanilla, incense, amber, and gaiac wood. I'm not, maybe a little bit of gaiac wood and maybe a little bit of vanilla, but to me it smells more like a leather, like a smooth leather. It smells good. I like it. This is going to be, that opening was okay. The dry down of this is really good. It's almost like a date scent. It's really cozy, really cozy. All right, so let's go to the notes for Laurine. Where's the bottle? Here we go. Laurine Dubois. Is the name on there? It's not coming in. Well, Laurine Dubois by Jack Frost. The notes for this one, wow, they got a lot of notes. This one, the top notes are neroli, bergamot, and yellow mandarin. Then the middle notes are mimosa absolute, broom, yang yang, and orange blossom. And then the base notes are honey, cumin, cashmere, sandalwood, saffron, cinnamon, musk, and amber. Let's go back to smell what this smells like. Yeah, it's more of the ylang ylang. That's the most that I'm smelling. That it's like really floral and a little bit of like a fizziness, maybe from the mimosa, but it's like a fizzy kind of flower kind of, yeah, but it still smells like almost like It's a floral fragrance, but it smells like it can be used. A guy could use it. You know, as long as you're dressed up and put together, it's not bad. But yeah, all right. That's all I got for you today. I just wanted to share those two fragrances with you, unbox them with you, and see what it was. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, talking about the two fragrances I just got. One discontinued and one was a surprise. All right. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.